I tried NDAX app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the NDAX app, I expected just another crypto exchange. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that NDAX may be one of the most underrated and secure trading platforms in Canada. Most people overlook it for bigger names, but NDAX quietly delivers a professional-grade experience that rivals global giants. Right from day one, the setup process was fast and seamless. Identity verification took less than 10 minutes, and once I was in, the interface immediately felt clean and intuitive. NDAX supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin and Ethereum to altcoins like Polygon, Solana, and even Dogecoin. During my week of testing, I made deposits, executed trades, and withdrew funds all without a single delay. The app's low trading fee, just 0.2%, was a pleasant surprise. But what really caught my attention was the flat withdrawal fee of $25 Canadian, regardless of how large the amount is. Most exchanges charge percentages, but NDAX keeps it simple and transparent. Security-wise, NDAX impressed me even more. It's fully compliant with Canadian regulations, and the majority of funds are stored in cold wallets. Every login required two-factor authentication, and I received instant alerts for all transactions. It's clear they've built trust into every layer of the platform. One feature I didn't expect was NDAX earn a staking and interest system that lets users earn passive income on assets like Ethereum and Polkadot. I tested it with a small amount, and the process was smooth and beginner-friendly. By the end of 7 days, the shocking truth was clear: NDAX isn't trying to be flashy. It's stable, secure, and built for serious users who value reliability over hype. If you're in Canada and want a safe, compliant platform with professional features, NDAX is absolutely worth your attention.